Hey everyone, my name is Robin Solonenko, aka Power Daddy from LinkedIn, and this is another short video from my Power BI data analysis course. In today's topic, we'll discuss calculated tables, how to create them on the fly, and I'll show you how to use that using the DAX function. These are great for those quick lookup tables that will reside within your Power BI, and you do not need to import them. Remember, this is just one topic from my entire course, which is available on my site, whatdoyouwanttolearntoday.ca. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, everyone. In this topic, I would like to talk about calculated tables using the DAX language. Now, what are these? These are tables that are populated with results versus the tables that are populated from your data source that you link to. One reason for doing this is to generate or populate the table with values that are stored rather than calculate on the fly using other DAX functions, which can take more processing power. Values that are stored in this table can be looked up or referenced by other formulas. That's why sometimes they're also referred to as a lookup table or a reference table. You can do this all through your Power BI desktop. So what we'd like you to do is come back to our Power BI video demo file, and we will start this using the home ribbon has it, or the table tools, and you'll see there's a new table button here. Click it. The formula bar will appear for you with the word table in it. And if you want to zoom in out, if you hover your mouse pointer over this, hold Control and use the wheel, you can zoom in and out. If it's too small for you, that's holding Control and the wheel. But to get going here, we're going to give this first table a name. We'll call it ticket types. And then we're going to introduce to you your first DAX formula and function. The function we want to use here is called values. Values will look into a table and into a particular field that you're telling it to look towards and pull out all the distinct or unique values. So in this example, we're saying values, what table, the all ticket data, what field, the type field. Hit enter. It will create a table. On the left, you'll see that there's 3 types. Over on the right, in your fields pane, you will see a new table that says ticket types. And there's a little calculator there to indicate it is a calculated table versus one that is imported. Now, if we went to our all ticket data table and looked at the type field, you will see that there's a lot of data in here. But if you use the drop down here, you can see that there's only 3 types. So this function in the ticket types table said go to that table, to that field, and pull in the unique values. That's a quick and easy way to start your new table. However, we're not finished. We do have more fields to add to this, but that little function right there creates a brand new table right there. Okay, before we do any more work and add in some custom columns, we should check to see the relationships. So go to the modeling on the left side of your screen, and let's take a look to see where the ticket types are. There they are. I also happen to notice a lot of dotted lines in here, which I'm going to go ahead and delete now, because anytime we have these dotted lines, you can get rid of them. Clean it up a little bit here. Okay, so the question is, who does this belong to? what table will we link this towards? Well, this is going to be some information about the types of tickets. So what table has type? It's the all ticket data. Now be careful here, because remember we have tickets and ticket data, but those are appended into this one, the all ticket data. So I'm going to link ticket types and all ticket data using the type to type. So I'm going to drag type to type, and voila, creates a relationship one to many, which makes sense. We have one ticket type with many in the all ticket data table. Again, we'll come back in the next topic and add in more custom columns, but for now you can see we will have a one to many. And if you go back to your data view, sure enough, you can see in your ticket types you only have one of each versus the all ticket data where you're going to have many. Okay, that's it for this topic. We'll see you in the next one.